Yes, yes, my guys and girls, we are back. We are back with another video. Um Time for week analysis. Time is moving fast. We are already in the second week of May. So yeah, it's been a quite a good movement. The last week that just flew by. We did have FOMC. We did have FOMC during the Wednesday. So the real moves happened after that. So Thursday and Friday were the best market conditions, honestly. Um, we have, we do have. I haven't seen the news for this upcoming week. I will look into that after this video. But yeah, we are back. Good to be back. I am anticipating some good volume now. Now when there are some fundamentals stuff that is that has left the news out of the way, because there have been some insecurities with all of this which is happening in the US, with the taxes, with the bonds, and with everything that's just occurring and just giving a very huge like stress into the market and to the market. So now when some news are released, we may see some good trading market conditions, or we hope. So we'll start with the DXY. The DXY is pushing up. We are seeing that the DXY has gotten up to this weekly CB. It also attacked this week low, which we see here. And what we can anticipate here from this trend is that we are currently creating a uptrend. So as long as we are respecting the lows, we should just continue upwards. And then we need to see on lower time frame how things look. But at this very moment, I think the overall we may be still bearish. It all depends on how we respect this weekly CB. We could even this coming week close above, and the upcoming kind of could close below once again. But this EMA is a good thing to look out for. We are currently trading below this, so it does indicate where we are. We are also below it in the daily, and I would guess that we are below it in the H4 also. No, we're trading above it. So yeah, we're maybe shifting from bearish to bullish, we may see, but my guess is that we should still be looking for more of a sell-off in the DXY. I do think that we may come even we could come these so much further down. That is my guess. So yeah, so we should just wait and see. I do, like I said, still think that we are overall bearish. Daily gap, weekly CB, and let's create a higher low and then come up, right? So for me at this moment, we need more data, but H4 is turning bullish, daily, weekly is bearish still. So yeah, let's head down to the favorite pair of all time, Euro USD. And what is happening Euro USD? We are. I did say I was anticipating some bearish moves based on looking at the the previous levels that pushed up this price. So we could even come back even further down. But these levels is so I am a little bit bearish from this high. We could go a little bit further down. That's my guess on euro. So a proper 250 kind of move, 250 pip move, I could anticipate. I would like to see price return to these kind of levels. At the very best, we could even come back to these levels still. So yeah, almost 300 pip move, and from here I am anticipating price keeps going up. So yeah. We are still trading above here. We are below on the H4 and we were above on the H4 on the DXY, right? So my guess from here is that, like I said, we should go down. We should go down on the H4. So I'm anticipating a 300 pip move to the downside. Before then pushing up. That is my guess. So my bias was, as long as we're respecting some highs, we should be good to go. This high is, I do think we just tapped into it and then got this massive wick, massive rejection, and yeah. So yeah, I'm anticipating bearishness on Euro USD for the moment. I would like to see a massive liquidity sweep before pushing up, before pushing down. So we do have some levels that we need to come back to. So yeah, Euro USD, I am anticipating that we may come back up to previous, some kind of good important levels, and then we could see a proper so this will be my play, but I'm not putting out a sell limit just like that. We need to wait for some more confirmations, and then we could anticipate some maybe some bearishness. But we are currently in this weekly BC also, so we need to wait and see how price behaves here. But this is just like I did say the DXY, that just because it is a BC or a SIBB or we are returning to a level, it doesn't mean that that price will respect that level. You need to see like this behavior, right? You need to see behaviors. You need to understand what price wants to do. That's basically it. And what is it price is telling us? And once it does tell us something that we like, and something like I agree based on what the price is telling us, then we could attack the market, right? So basically, what I'm saying is that I'm not here to trade to just be right. I'm trading to make money, right? I don't give a damn if I am in no rush to make 150 trades in a week or in a day, losing half of or more of them just because this urge of pressing a button. What I'm saying is that it's better to wait for the high quality setup and then you can make a trade from it. So GU is almost the same. Yeah, GU is almost the same. Yes, I am looking at currently the so we do have a reversed head and shoulders. So what does it mean if you're a retail trader? Yeah, it should go down, but something in me is saying that this will go up. Something will go up. It looks like Euro from Euro USD is looking more bearish than this one. But we need to wait and see, because the very fact that the same, we haven't taken out some internal, so this was the internal structure. We just need to wait and see what price is telling us. But at this moment, I am not quite sure what it wants to do, so I just need to wait and see. So yeah, no, GU is something at this moment. I'm just looking at this trade. I need some more confirmations. We may see something around here. Either we build a structure respecting it, and then I could see for some buys, or we are making a swing high, make a shift, and then we could enter some sells. But for now, I'm not doing anything. I had this here, but yeah, this was the win exactly. Then we do have some Euro GBP trades. Euro GBP is currently, yeah, very bearish, very bearish. And this is a very beautiful trade, honestly. Very beautiful trade. We need to wait and see what this does, but this one is looking very bearish based on how this looks. The very fact that we are making such a deep retracement, and we do have sell sides. I did say that this one is internal structure, internal liquidity. This is our strong high. Yeah. So from here, Euro GBP is looking bearish too. It's looking bearish. We did have some indecisive candles, but I was bullish up here. But then once price broke this and this, price has just been melting. And what I am waiting for now is, I did have a sell limit a little bit above, so I wasn't tagged in, but I had a sell limit once I did see, but this is I will make it in another video. So, but UGP is still looking bearish. I really do think that we will keep going down. So I will make this red. So I will probably wait for if I'm going to enter this trade, I would like to see bearish order block. So this kind of move, and we can make like this, and then we could just make it to go down. Run psychological number 84200. So yeah, so this is basically my, if I'm going to take a trade, I want to take a trade from this area. yeah. And then we do have our favorite pairs, the yen pairs. I'm talking about the GBP JPY and the Euro JPY. GBP JPY is looking very bullish. It's looking very, very bullish. And yeah, there is no reason to look for anything else other than looking for longs. So most recent low, higher low. This one didn't make a higher high, so that doesn't count. So, and this failed to make a lower low, and yeah, now we should just keep going up, honestly. If I were to look for some buys, it would be at the zone. So I will probably look for a long from like this area and just continuation. So yeah, looking very bullish. Euro JPY is looking also very bullish. Let's look how it looks. Yeah. So we did take out this low, which would in most cases be considered a break of structure. But the thing is, we did not close below. We did close below on the, I think, candle to candle, yeah. The bodies, we did close below. Close below, yeah. But if we were to look for some sells, it would be when we do take out this low or this low. Other than that, there is no reason to look really for anything else but buys. So I have been at this zone or at this level for some time now. Yeah, so we're just consolidating more or less on this Eurogen. But I would be stupid to do anything else but looking for buys. We're making huge wicks, failing to close below on the daily. We're failing to close below on the H4. So yeah, we're trading above the EMA, I would guess. Yeah, we do. So basically what I'm saying is that this is definitely a move. This, and this. So yeah, that is the weekly analysis for this upcoming week, which is, I do think, is week 18. And yeah, let's bring in the money. That's why we're doing this. Okay, I hope you guys all have a good weekend. Spend the time with your close ones. Don't spend too much time in the charts. I'll see you guys soon.